This is going to be a video of this Heiman smoke detector, and it's the HS1SA. I think it's pronounced Heiman. Oh no, I think it's pronounced Heiman. I'm not too sure, or Heiman. I'm not too sure. But yeah, this isn't going to be a video of me unboxing it. It's going to be a video of me setting it off with deodorant, I think it is. Yeah. But yeah. I'm just gonna show you the box. So there's the front of the box. Yep. Made in China. Yeah, and as you can see, it's got the Heiman logo at the top there. Yeah, it actually does on the detector itself, yeah. Then there's one side of it. Yeah, easy to install, low power indication. Once detecting smoke, alarm sound to avoid fire. Danger in advance and keep your house and family safety. I don't know how to pronounce that word there. The one beginning with S. Yeah. I think that's just a website or something. And then yeah. Then there's the back. Totally the same as the front. Just that. Yeah, is it? No, it's not. No, it's not actually. Told a lie. And so, smoke detector, photoelectric sensor. And then here's the other side of it. Model no HS1SA. Working voltage DC 3 volts. CR123A included, yeah. Sound alarm 85 decibels. Dash 3 meters. Working environment minus 10 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius, something like that. Dimension 60, 49.2 millimeters. I think that's how far away you got to spray it, but yeah. But yeah, back to the front. And here's the best part of the video. Actually, hang on, yeah. So yeah, I'm about to show you the detector itself. Here it is. Yeah. This is by far the smallest one I've got out of all of them. So, yeah. Just a nice little detector. And there's the Heiman logo there, look. This thing's having a lot of focusing issues. And it says there, do not paint. You can see that just about. And then there's the little test button there. It's got a red LED in it as well. That pulses every few seconds. So twist that way to take the base off, and then twist that way to click the base back on again. And then it's got some glue at the back, look. So if you take the white bit off where it says 3 meters, if you pull that off, there's actually glue on the back of it. Well, I think so anyway. But yeah, I'm now going to set this thing up on the on my tripod while I. Yeah, this is going to be quite awkward. But yeah, let's hope it doesn't annoy me too much. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it down with my hands. So yeah, there we go. So yeah. So you just twist it to the left to take off. No, actually, guys, I think it's the other way around. I think you got to twist it to the right. Yeah, you twist it to the right. Tell a lie, guys. Again, sorry. Yeah, that's what the base plate looks like. Yeah. And then there's the inside. It has tape on it, and then inside there's the little battery. Never seen a battery like that before, actually. I don't know what this little button thing is. I don't know if that changes the tone. I don't know. I'm not too sure. I have absolutely no idea. Don't quote me on that one, guys. But yeah, I'm now going to put the base back on by twisting it to the left. Hang on. Yeah, you've got to line it up as well, by the way, guys. You've got to line it up as well. You've got to do a bit of lining up to get it to go on. Yeah, is that on? No. And then sometimes also the label gets in the way as well. You just got to, yeah, make sure that it's lined up and, yeah, ready. Come on. Yeah. There we go. There we go. Got there eventually. So, yeah, I'm now going to set it off with this spray. Yeah, it says PRT for men. Yeah, this spray here. Stimulating anti-perspirant. I don't know how we pronounce that. 48-hour protection. 0% alcohol. I think this was bought from Tesco. I think my mum bought this for me. But this is not for my body. It's for the smoke detectors. Yeah. I think you just saw the little red LED pole just then. But, yeah. I'm now going to activate this with my deodorant. So yeah, I would definitely recommend you turn your volume right down now, guys, if you're not wearing ear protection. But yeah, if you do have an ear protection, please put it on, as I'm about to set this off. So yeah, here we go, guys. So yeah, there you go. That was quite a short activation, actually. As well. Yeah, it's activated for that long as well, in the past as well. And you may be wondering, why have I got it in front of the door? Well, you know the Fire Angel ST625R Thermoptex smoke detector. That one is very sensitive. I think you guys know that as well. But yes then, guys. I think that wraps this video up, to be honest. Yeah. So yeah, that was a video of this Heiman. Oh, so this was just a video of this Heiman HS1SA smoke detector. Yeah, and it's photoelectric as well. Just like the Status and the Tooth Energizers, yeah. So, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please like, comment, subscribe, turn on my notifications by, hit the notification bell by turning it on, And the next thing I'm going to be doing a video on, the next thing I'm going to be showing is the Russell Hobbs 12-inch chrome desk fan. That'll be the next thing I'm going to be showing. So yeah, this is the thing I'll be showing next. It's just over there, look, just over there. I'll be showing that on all speeds and oscillation as well. But yeah. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you in the next video.